Hey, this is Mike Pitts with Felling Trailers here at Conexpo, Las Vegas 2023. We want to showcase some of our new features on the air ramp design. This one's featured on our new limited models of the deck over ramp trailers. You can see our double incline on our 6-foot tail. These are a 7-foot by 38-inch wide angle iron ramps. The whole system operates off of a lift axle switch here, down to an airbag and a brake chamber down below. So a little loud, but you've got a cushion cylinder on the back side of the airbag to keep the ramps together and softening on the ground. You'll notice they're coming down in tandem. 3, 2, there. And now we've loaded. We're ready to bring the ramps back up. Simple as operating a lift axle switch. The whole air system runs off of the same air system where you're supplied to the trailer. If you have brakes, you have air for the ramps. We're coming back up. Just as easy as that. Thanks, guys.